What's going on everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today we are going to check few WhatsApp tricks which will come handy in your daily use. With that being said, let's get started. Did you know that you can hear voice messages you receive on WhatsApp using your phone's earpiece, one that you use to hear other person's voice during phone calls? Just play a WhatsApp voice recorded message and lift the phone to your ear the same way that you would attend a phone call, and the message will automatically start playing via the earpiece. It's really helpful to check out voice messages in public without the use of earphones. Most of us don't have much control over what content is pushed to our phones via WhatsApp groups or contacts, and this content showing up in your phone's gallery could be a huge problem, most importantly if you have friends who sends unpredictable content. WhatsApp has this feature to hide media from particular group in the gallery. Just open a WhatsApp group or a contact and tap on the name to access the options. This method won't remove already existing WhatsApp images in your gallery, you have to do that yourself, but it will hide new incoming media. The stories are the great way of expressing your mood and can be quite personal. If you don't want to share them with all your WhatsApp contacts, you can prohibit particular contacts from viewing your story updates or stories. So to do that, you have to go to the WhatsApp setting, then to the account, and then to the privacy. There you have to select the status, my contacts, accept, or you can choose only share with. The my contacts accept will now select specific contacts you wish to avoid and tap the tick mark below. You can also select only share with option if you wish to share status update only with a small number of specific contacts. If a particular WhatsApp group or contact is hogging space, then what can you do? Deleting each and every single message is cumbersome, so with this trick you can delete messages, chats, videos and audios from a specific WhatsApp group with a single tap. Just head on to settings, then data and storage usage, and there select storage usage, and you will see all groups and contacts ranked according to the storage space they are hogging or using. Then select the group and tap on the manage message option at the bottom. Now select and clear whatever data that you wish to get rid of. And lastly, limiting data used by WhatsApp. To restrict the data consumed by the app, this is what you need to do. Go to the settings, then go to the data and storage usage. From here you can decide what all media the app can download while eating your data. So how was it guys? Did you enjoy it? If you really did enjoy, then please hit the subscribe button and like this video. With that being said, I'm Satej and see you in another video.